he put the hooks in the ramp.
Are you watching that side over there?
Yeah, they're gonna hit eventually.
Okay, I think you're good right there. Hold on.
So as you can tell, if I were to go another 1.5 feet, it would hit there, but he doesn't want it that far forward anyhow. Is that good? Since it was only one vehicle, one truck, he decided to put the ramp up and park the vehicle here. Now, if you're wondering why he didn't go all the way back and put the last tire here, it's because where you see the 3 tires, it has a plate. It has a,
Where you see the mesh.
where you see this plate, it runs all the way where the 3 tires are. So had he backed up the truck, the front tire would have been here, and that's where the tires are. So he wouldn't have been able to hook it. So he would have to either put it like this or put that top ramp down and put it where he normally does, because he would hook it on the top ramp, on the mesh of the top ramp, if that makes sense. It's 9:02. We're on our way to Martinez from Tracy, and we are stuck in traffic. And this is the Altamont Pass. We're in Concord, and we're going through the scale.
Yes. Well, it says right there, Concord Pavilion.
Now, the trucks are empty, can go on to the left, but of course, since we have a truck, we have to stay on the right. Now, we've been pulled over twice. The first time is they were just checking registration. They were checking the weight limit on the trailer and making sure that we were within those limits, and also that he had a Class A. The second time, what did they check the second time?
And they were inspecting the truck and trailer for any mechanical problems.
Yeah. He did get a sticker for the truck. Now, at the time, the trailer needed tires, so he didn't get a sticker, but he now has tires. We're at the dealership here in Martinez. Unloaded the truck, but the dealership is closed, but they will be here in 10 minutes, so we just have to wait. In some cases, they may have a secure mailbox, and they'll tell you to put the keys in the mailbox, but in this case, they don't have one. So we'll go ahead and wait for them. They're just blocking the road. It's 11:01 and we're in Walnut Creek. We just picked this Volkswagen up at a Walnut Creek dealership. And one thing to keep in mind when it's raining or wet is that most likely the trailer's going to be wet. I mean, slippery. Trailer's going to be slippery when it's wet, especially after it hasn't rained for a while. The trailer might be slippery.
Yes, slippery when wet.
Okay.